Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to discuss how to replace your O2 sensor. This is the lower O2 sensor and an electrical connector right here to be undone. You just push the clip together and undo that connector. Take this there's a little clamp here, and be able to push those two sides together and push this out. And then you would undo this and the O2 sensor. They're pretty stubborn a lot of times, so you might have to do the best you can to get the most leverage you can to get it off, and to put penetrating oil on it. And you would just go ahead and remove that and replace it. A lot of times is the back or the O2 sensors will go bad and they wear out over time, and you'll get a check engine light that will come on and it'll say that bad reading between the O2 sensors. And what happens is this is your catalytic converter, and catalytic converter has an afterburner type thing that is to clean up the exhaust. Well, if those are going bad, then it tells your engine the wrong things, and so you burn more fuel. So you'd like to replace those sooner than later if that's what's going on. And you replace those, and also you can have less problems that you won't potentially have to replace your catalytic converter as soon. So that's that back one, and then the front one is up here, right up there, and the same thing. You'd have to get your socket wrench on there, so you might be able to get from it the top, and there'll be an electrical connector up there to unhook and to loosen them up and put a new one back in. So the upper O2 sensor comes all the way over here, and the connection is right below this air cleaner down in there. I'll give you a photo. It'd be better to get a photo of it. But that's where you would unhook the electrical connection once you need to remove and replace that O2 sensor. Thanks for watching.